Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button, girl. So I'm showing you guys this frontal. This is from dyhair777. This is their curly hair. I wasn't in love with this 130 density, so it did kind of make the actual hair style that I had to do very limited. Like I said, this is from dyhair777, came in this little bag, and that bag came in a box. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I'm trying to customize this frontal. Honestly, the frontal, I don't know, it was just giving me a little Frankenstein vibe, but that's okay because it was pre-plucked and the knots were very, very small and they were bleached as well. So the frontal wasn't too bad, but I just needed to customize it just a little bit. So, I went in with a little bit of plucking just to make that frontal just a little bit less dense and just wanted to give it some shape, kind of like a natural shape. I can honestly say that I wish I wouldn't have plucked it how I did in the immediate front. And I'm still learning, guys, so we got a lot of hair from that too, but definitely you're gonna get a lot of hair when you pluck your frontals. But I just tried to go behind and just pluck a little bit in the front, and I just we did a little over plucking, but it doesn't look that bad. I just wish I would have not plucked as much or plucked a little bit more. But we're going to use this heat protectant, and that is because I'm going to go in with the hot comb. I don't want to burn no hair off, but this is one of my favorite products, this liquid mousse. It just molds the hair together very, very well. Because we are doing a ponytail, I just wanted to have something to mold the hair down really sleek and take the curls out. This hot comb is the best. It is the Andis hot comb. I'm gonna link it below. Got it from Amazon. So it gets really, really hot, so you have to really watch that. But I'm just spraying the ponytail part with water and just kind of combing it and molding it together, because as you can see, half the ponytail is very short because the frontal hair on this wig was just really, really short in the front. And so, like I said, there wasn't much I could do with it. I'm going to take this Style booster. It's like a wax stick. It's really good. I haven't used another wax stick, so I'm not sure if it's the best, but it worked for me. And I'm just spritzing the hair with a little bit of water. Just get them curls back popping, girl, because we're going to put this on our head, and I just wanted to style it on the mannequin first because it was easier for me to do that. So now I'm just kind of shaping, the actual front and just kind of cutting it a little bit jagged and zigzag. And I'm just using that free spray and patting it on. I just found this was a little bit easier to do that and blow dry. Just wait till it gets a little bit tacky, and then I'm putting another layer on top of that and blow drying that on cool. And cutting my lace first was a little bit easier this time, I guess, but like I said, I'm just putting it on. My edges go down pretty far, so it was hard to like get it over my edges like I had said in the other video. I try not to use my fingers so much. I'm trying to just use it, the comb, so it can go down on the first swipe, so I don't have to put too much free spray. But I'm just putting some more free spray in there. I didn't use the Got To Be gel this time. I just used free spray, girl, just to see what it was going to look like. And it actually worked really, really well. So free spray for the win. I know there's another one that people use as well that I'm going to try. I think it's a bedhead one. So I just put my little edge hairs down, and I'm just tying that in the back. And with this hair, you kind of just need to put a little water every now and then to get the curls back popping. So I don't know if this is a good or bad thing, but I definitely had to soak the hair up just to get it, going. Now I'm just taking that the wax stick again, because I'm going to use the hot comb because we're about to put this in a ponytail now that it's installed. So I'm just trying to smooth that back as the best as I can. This hot comb is so hot, so I'm like trying not to touch the hair so much, but I'm just putting this in a high little bun. I just wanted to wipe some of that little spray off because sometimes, it can dry on your edges. So I did do the baby hairs kind of how I like them this time. I wanted to wrap the ponytail wet because I thought that that would give it kind of like a cool little look. So I'm just wrapping that really just in a ball. And I think I just put a little pin in it at the end to make it stay. But honestly, guys, I could say the curl pattern it was cute. It was giving. But it was also giving thin. So that's probably the only thing I don't like was the density on this wig. But the hair itself seemed quality. It seemed nice. I'm going to cut these ends, though I know that. So anyway, guys, this is the end of the look. Hopefully you guys liked it. Tried to smooth that back. But I thought it looked pretty good. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one.